Guys, I've got an incredible project for you, Pixasso, all right? And it's going to blow your mind, but before we get a disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, just for education purposes only. So get in right now because the price is gonna raise. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Now guys, this is an incredible project, okay? Pixasso. Now, what the whole thing about this is it's a blank canvas. You can see here, there's only a few NFTs on here. What it's gonna do is you pick your spot, just like land in the metaverse, okay? Like in the sandbox and things. You pick your spot, like you can see here, and you can redraw your NFT. I know this sounds crazy, right? You can redraw it. So you can place all your NFTs in this one big canvas. You can redraw it. You can see here how this has the red circle and the red line. I know you can't see because it's not zoomed in, but if you see on the left-hand side here where this zooms, this is what it looks like. Okay, you've got that Z there. That's someone's actual NFT they've placed inside, and you can see how it now got the red around it, so it's redrawn. You can do that. You can edit them on here, your favorite NFTs, and place them in. Now, if you click on some of the other NFTs, obviously, like I said, guys, it's gonna look super small to you, but it's a massive canvas, and you can see here with the crypto punk with a COVID mask on, it zooms in, it's like that. Guys, it's incredible, the vision and the mission that they have. Now, let me tell you a little bit more about it. So what exactly is it? It's a virtual canvas, like I said, where you can create your own NFTs very easily, but your range of pixels and point them in any way you'd like. Okay, the canvas of Pixasso contains 1 million pixels starting from $1 each, which will be collected in ETH. Now, what I want to stress, and you can see in here, these NFTs right now, every single spot, the longer you wait, it's going to increase, okay? So the price is going to be raised, okay? The price of empty pixel by 15% every single month. The minimum number of blank pixels that can be purchased is 10, and then later on, the NFTs can be sold as a unit. If you own more NFTs, they will functionally independent from each other. The easiest way to create your NFTs, you don't need to understand smart contracts or be an expert programmer, all right? Just need to use your creativity and they'll take care of the rest. So on ERC21, that's a piece of the art that you create will function as an NFT running on the Ethereum blockchain as ERC721. And OpenSea, your NFT will be listed on the OpenSea marketplace under Pixasso page, and you'll be able to pass it on as your own NFTs with all its rights. Very low cost, all right? You'll be able to create your NFT for as little as a couple of bucks. That's dollars if you're not from America. All right, so what is required? You need a wallet with enough Ethereum, okay, for it to purchase, and the price will be given on the current exchange rate. Again, remember, don't miss out, guys. The price is gonna go up 15% every single month if you're waiting and sitting on the edge. Infinite creativity. All right, if you're not sure how to create it, go to the website link down below and click this video right here. It'll show you super easy. Art is never finished, they say, so they believe there is such thing as finished when they talk about art, which means if you own your own NFT on Pixasso, no matter whether you painted it, bought it, already existing from someone else, you'll be able to edit the colors with the pixels in any way as many times you want. So guys, you can actually take your favorite NFT, CryptoPunk, whatever it is, Hate Beast, even if you've got a BAYC, and change the color and the pixels for it. You can check the previous generations of your NFT, clicking on the picture on the canvas, it'll be visible in the left corner. You can also check it out on OpenSea. If you buy more, you get more. After every 10th pixel that you buy, you get a free pixel that you'll be able to use during your next transaction. And the owner of the NFT has the exclusive rights to do and authorize any of the following: editing and appearance, the plot, selling it with its rights on the OpenSea, and access to private Discord servers. You actually get last two rights, but once the 1 million pixels are sold, you'll see what these rights are. And guys, I can tell you right now, I'm excited for them. One thing we must point out, if you sell your NFT as a creator, you give up all your rights as an owner. So once you've sold them, these are gone. If you have any problems, just drop it in their contact, all right, and you can see them. But guys, this is literally how incredible this is, all right? They've got this incredible project, and you can see at the top 10 days, 13 hours, 51.7 seconds, until it's actually raised to $1.15 USD. Guys, this is going to go huge. Please get involved. Pick your favorite NFT, get it on here, place it, change the color, do whatever you want, okay? But what I would do is do your own research as well. There you have it, family. Thank you so much for supporting us. What I want you to do is hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified, and I'll see you next time.